It's so quiet.
Imagine seeing a bear.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like,
Wouldn't
maybe
get
we
that.
should go. I don't feel like getting jumped by a cougar. I took my gloves off for like 2 minutes to take pictures with my phone, and I'm pretty sure I have frostbite. They're stinging so bad. I don't know how my face is not frozen, but my hands, as soon as I took them out of the gloves, are just like dead. Look, the lake is like half frozen. Austin, wave! Austin! Oh no. I'm getting buried. Oh geez. I can't walk around. Here's our machine. It has heated handle things. And Austin had them because he was driving, but I get to drive back, so definitely looking forward to that. My arm hurts right here.
Really?
Like from holding. I like how they play music. It's for the tube hill, but it's fun. So we went to Crater Lake, and then Austin drove there and I drove back. When we were driving back, I took a wrong turn because I saw a sign that said to Diamond Lake, and so I turned that way. And so we ended up going on that loop just a little bit, but we had to come back. We made it to Crater Lake, and we stood around at Crater Lake.
Yeah.
And made it back in less than 2 hours, so.
That was a lot of fun. It was like perfect.
Yeah.
Because we were starting to get cold out there.
If we had 3 hours though, we could have gone around the lake too.
Yeah, probably.
So you couldn't do it all in 3 hours, I think. I got really brave as the driver. Being the passenger is scary, but I think if I had driven and then been the passenger, I would have been less scared.
Yeah.
Because I know how much control you really do have.
Yeah, like I noticed that you were being a lot brave.
I was being a lot more
and
aggressive.
I was like, okay, this is fun. I saw at one point you were going 50.
I did. I went 50 through that big open space because
Yep.
I was like, there's no trees to hit, so
Yep.
let's see how fast I can go.
Yep. Look at my car.
Oh yeah, here, let's go look at Sylvie.
She used to be white.
Bye.
Bye.